In the bustling city of Zanyville, Super Sneezel proudly struts into a bakery, ready for his cupcake feast. Suddenly, an unexpected tickle surfaces, triggering an epic buildup to a colossal sneeze. As he prepares to unleash his power, hilarious countdown numbers flash across the screen. 3, 2, 1. The sneeze erupts like a comic explosion, sending cupcakes flying in every direction, much to the shock of onlookers. Trailing globs of frosting and icing, Super Sneezel attempts a heroic rescue only to slip on a rogue cupcake, spiraling down into a comical food fight with other hapless heroes. Just as the scene calms, he sneezes once more. Boom! The bakery erupts in a rainbow of icing and laughter, marking this as the day Super Sneezel turned a sweet treat into an icing catastrophe.